I tried 70 different tactics to get good sleep and to fall asleep at a good time. If you have ADHD like I do, falling asleep at the appropriate bedtime is really hard to do. So in this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to crush your sleep schedule and get the best sleep of your life. Let go. So apparently 70% of adults in the US get poor sleep at least one night every month, causing all of these issues right here. And if you're struggling with emotional regulation, sleep is really important because it makes you 60% more likely to be emotional in the day if you don't get sleep, and you're 48% more likely to get heart disease. Sleep's important? All right, so now I'm going to record my screen. Great. All right, so we're in this Notion I'm giving you. You can click in the link below. You can walk through it with me. Step one to getting the perfect sleep routine is by first getting clarity. There's 4 questions that are really important to ask because you can't move forward without them. How long do you need to wind down before bed, right? You need to know that about yourself. For me, I know I need a certain amount of hours to watch TV and relax. I need I think 2 at least. What time would the wind down start? That's also really important because you could start it at 9. What does the process look like? Include the times, get as specific and detailed as you can. So you got to be really specific and say, go to bed at 9 p.m. or right after dinner, in between this time and that time. Be really specific. How can I prep for this better for my tomorrow self? All right, so step 2 is to create your night principles. If you don't know what principles are, I suggest highly to watch this video above because I go through what principles are and they're very, very important for creating routines. So this one's really simple. So basically you just want to go through and say, from now on, I will start to wind down at, and you click a time, right? So let's just say I'm gonna start at 7 a.m. to wind down. You're up all night till 7 a.m. Sure, go for it, So I can be in bed by, I don't know, how long do I want to be on YouTube for? Let's just say 10 p.m. Around 7 to 10. I'm just scrolling. Okay, then you move to the next step. Now, you assure this by taking a specific action, so be as detailed as you can, all right? It's only gonna help you out. Because if you have to think in the moment, you're just gonna find your way around it or procrastinate, put it off. Okay, I'll change the times to be more realistic. All right, say I'm gonna wind down at 8 p.m. so I can be asleep and whatever by, I don't know, 10. Great, that's a normal person time. I don't know what that is. Apparently it's a thing. You have to be as specific as possible, be detailed, lay out like a whole plan. I'll assure this by, say, brushing teeth at 8 p.m., then watching TV from, 8:10 to 9, then turn off my phone next to my door at 9:50, right? So you're good to go, get in bed. And then so I can, and then that's the desired result you want. Like, so I can be tired and ready for bed, something super simple. This is like the outline, the blueprint. That's why this is so important. I'm just gonna copy that. Then we're gonna go to step number 3, where we actually lay out the routine. So it looks like a lot. It's really not. You're copying and pasting and then clicking a colorful button. I know it's hard, but try to stay with me. Okay, so I basically wrote down the times because I was specific already. So if I look at it, I'll say, cool, brush my teeth at 8 p.m. Then I look at the next one, watch TV from 8:10 to 9. I mean, I didn't get that specific with this, but I can just write that in there if I want to. Let's see. Okay, cool. So 8 p.m. to 9, I'll just put that in there, bam. So I can just probably honestly put that in there for both of them and then turn off my phone at 9:50. Super easy. And by the way, you can edit all of this. You can make it so instead of the whole day, you can just make it all like 9 o'clock, 9:10, 9:20, 9:30. You can do it however you want. You can edit it. That's what's great about this. And the last step for that part, before we get to the most exciting step, is you just go through and say, cool, your wind down status tonight. And if you didn't follow through, then you just write down what it was. So cool, I followed through with this thing, the nothing, do nothing. I followed through with that. Okay, cool. So let's just say that I did both these things, followed through. But then let's say I didn't watch TV. Oh no, my life's over. What am I gonna do? An unexpected problem came up. I was just so busy watching YouTube that I couldn't make time for watching TV. So it's very difficult for me. But you know what? I might just give myself a pass. I'll put that in there because sometimes you just need a pass, it was important. I had to watch something important on YouTube, like how to make cinnamon rolls, because I'm meal prepping. It's important. Cool. Now here's the most exciting part of all of this. I'm about to give you all 70 tactics I've tried. Now I will say, actually, I didn't try all 70. I've tried most of them. I've tried probably about 65 of them. I put some other ones in here I thought were really helpful. I've also talked to the sleep doctor and asked her a bunch of questions. So have fun with this. So there's 7 categories of things you can do for sleep. And you would not believe how many of these things have nothing to do with actual bedtime and so much to do with your actual day. But apparently all these help with sleep, so let's go through it. Sleep hygiene, hot shower before bed, cool down your room before bed, use lavender oil or candle. Make sure the candle is natural and chemical free because it's really bad for you apparently if it's not. Turn the lights down low and use warmer colors 1 hour before bed. Finish all tasks an hour before bed. For that, I just mean to say, don't do it an hour before bed, but make sure that you give yourself an extra hour of just winding down and relaxing. Listen to soothing music or nature sounds at night. Create a soothing playlist. Think about good memories and thoughts and often positivity. Next, you want to like and subscribe to the video. What's that doing there? Say what you're grateful for, pray, acknowledge what you accomplished today. Breathing exercises like Wim Hof method. I looked that up. That's really cool. Helps you hop into cold showers. I couldn't do it for the longest time, but that helped. Build consistency in your sleep routine. Fall asleep no later than 7 a.m. Hey, if you have graveyard shift, it might be different. Fall asleep no later than 11 p.m. because sleep doctors say this is the latest you should fall asleep because of your circadian rhythm. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb and put it at least 6 feet away from your bed. Replace technology with a book at night. Set an alarm to initiate sleep mode. Use blackout curtains. I got a ton of huge windows, so it really helps to have blackout curtains. You could also try sleep masks too, but they don't really always work very well for me. They always fall off. They don't really block everything. So one idea I had that actually works really well is use these hair bands. You can get them from Target. They're literally just hair bands. You stretch them out. You do this, kind of go around. It's amazing. This is going to look hilarious to you, but I swear this feels really, really comfy. Dude, I should be a mascot for Dairy Queen. Dude, my hair looks like it's soft serve ice cream. Are you serious? Does it always look like that? I'm leaving it on. I don't care. Okay, anyway, next. Invest in a good mattress and pillows. Ensure your bed is comfortable. That helps. Apparently mattresses should be switched a lot. You can flip them every few months if you want to. Turn them around, helps a lot. Make sure there's no dips. And use a white noise machine to block out disruptive noises. I'm done with this. Okay, so now you're thinking about mental well-being stuff. This actually helps a lot. Wait, thinking positively helps you sleep at night? I never do that. Opening up about your thoughts by writing them down or talking out loud, just venting, getting it out. You don't want to hold it in. Write a list of the next day's tasks to set up your morning, take stress off for your tomorrow so you're not thinking about it. Write down your worries and an action plan during the day. Be more mindful with thoughts. Combat anxiety-inducing negative thoughts. Learn to say no. Okay, so I know that's a hard one for all of us to do, but it helps a lot. So avoid overcommitting to reduce stress. You don't need to take on everyone else's stuff, okay? You can say no. Avoid procrastinating. Organize tasks by priority and set realistic deadlines. Talk to a trusted person, okay? So this helps you open up and realize you are enough and you have someone to share your emotions with. Join other groups like stress groups where you share struggles to find support with others. You hear about their lives and you can always get something out of what they're saying. Practice gratitude, daily journaling of things that you're thankful for, and visualization exercises. Just get used to imagining positive outcomes and don't think of anything stressful right before bed, okay? Nothing in the world, just make it about this moment, you're relaxing, that's it. Regular exercise is really helpful because it lowers cortisol and releases endorphins, improving mood and acting as natural painkillers. Let out steam when you're working out. Don't be afraid to, when you're pushing really heavy, just think about something really stressful. You're getting it out, feels good. It should improve your sleep quality. You can also get an accountability buddy that helps you. You just text them and say, hey, I'm falling asleep at this time. I'm putting my phone away. I'm done. I'll text you in the morning or something. Exercise, but not too close to bedtime because it's just going to keep you up longer. You'll be more pumped up, even if you're kind of tired from it. Anytime before afternoon is ideal, but do what works for you. Make your exercise routine fun and not forced. Find actual activities that are really enjoyable, like walking, dancing, or punching the punching bag, something interesting. Rock climbing, underwater basket weaving on stilts perhaps. Stretching, helping relax the muscles, reducing tension, and then finally deep breathing exercises, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. And if you're the kind of person that wants to try supplements, this is for you. Lemon balm, which has anti-anxiety effects. Omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce anxiety symptoms. Ashwagandha, say that 3 times fast. Name your child that. Treats stress and anxiety. Valerian, which is a sleep aid, lowers anxiety as well. Kava kava, Cool name. Treats mild stress and anxiety. Magnesium, famous for supporting relaxation and muscle function. And vitamin D, helps regulate mood and reduce depression. Though I would think that would be good for date time. Now, if you're someone who can appreciate some beautiful scents, aromatherapy might be for you. Like lavender, rose, vetiver, bergamot, Roman chamomile, neroli, frankincense, sandalwood, yang yang. Is it yang yang or lang lang? Oh my gosh, I'm making someone laugh so hard right now. Orange blossoms, geranium. That's like a German radioactive chemical or something that someone made up in Germany. But it's not. Rub it on your face. Peppermint, which can help with headaches and mental clarity. And then eucalyptus, which promotes relaxation and clears breathing. Now, if you are someone that likes social support or just being around others, makes you feel relaxed and loved, then this might help you. Spending time with loved ones. So it reduces stress, promotes laughter, improves immune system and mood, unless they're around that one person in your family you try to avoid. Don't do that. Positive physical contact, so that releases oxytocin. I think you have to hug someone for 15 seconds, so just go up to a stranger and hug them. Physical contact, like hugging, you release a lot of oxytocin in your body and it makes you actually feel really, really relaxed and loved and just good. So go hug a pole. This is a weird pet to have, but someone likes it. Spending time with pets. You can cuddle with them, you can love them, you can talk to them, and they'll stare you right in the eyes, like this squid here, and give you ink for your pens, and it'll make you feel and engaging in hobbies and activities you enjoy, right? Boosts your mood, reduces stress, feels good. And then volunteer and help others. Gives a sense of purpose and fulfillment in life, and why not? You know, if you give, you will receive. So lastly, if you're the kind of person that really wants to improve their diet and nutrition and you think that's going to help with sleep, then you just might find this one helpful. Drinking green tea, which increases serotonin levels, lowers stress and anxiety. It also helps a lot to avoid the things you shouldn't be having, like a lot of alcohol, large meals, foods that induce heartburn, and drinking a lot of fluid before bedtime. Reducing caffeine intake. So you want to avoid high doses of caffeine from coffee, tea, chocolate, and energy drinks. Chewing sugarless gum helps because it promotes a sense of well-being and lowers stress, but avoid excessive chewing. Maintaining a healthy, balanced diet's another one. Just in general, staying hydrated throughout the day, drinking plenty of water, limit your sugar intake, and incorporate foods rich in antioxidants like berries, nuts, leafy leafy vegetables. That's what I will call my peas and spinach company, such as nuts, such as nuts, berries, and green leafy vegetables. Gosh, man. So if you follow through with all of these things, you should have a really well laid out sleep schedule to wind down, fall asleep, and know exactly what to do in the day to support you in your sleep at night. Now, there are a couple things I didn't put in here, some of my best work, which you can see in this video right here for falling asleep. Later, neighbors.